Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete YouTube videos, YouTube channel videos from your channel. So if you want to delete particular videos from your YouTube channel, you can delete it. So I will show you my mobile Android phone, but if you're using iPhone or any other laptop, desktop, so you can follow the same steps. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. So guys, we are on my Android phone, and first we have to go in our YouTube Play Store. If you're using YouTube Studio, so you can download, delete from there. I will show you in both. YouTube Studio is a app for the creator only. When you open the YouTube Studio, okay, so it is opening. So if you have YouTube channel, you must know the YouTube Studio. So here you can see this is my YouTube Studio, and you have to go in content, and here you can see this is my first video I just uploaded. For it, you have to click on the three dot, and you can delete from here. If you delete it, it will be delete. Okay, if you click on delete, it will be delete. So if you're not using Android YouTube Studio, and you are using only video application, YouTube video application, just click on it, and just I come back to see, you will see like this interface. Now I have to click on this your profile photo. You have to log in first with your email ID. Now go to your channel, YouTube channel. If you have many channel, there will show you, but I have only one channel in this with this email ID. Now I have to go in this video. In video, you can see your all video. You can go in your manage video, and here you can see video. Now you have to click on this three dot, and you can same delete from here. Okay, just click on delete, it will be delete. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe me. Thank you for watching.